Tune in, yeah, you know the sound. Best tech talk in your whole town. Innovation, what we bring. Powered by the AEO engine. Let's begin.
Welcome to the AEO Engine AI Search Show, the podcast where we break down the future of search, AI visibility, and how brands are getting discovered in a world run by AI. I'm your host, Aria Chen, and every week I bring in the sharpest minds to make sense of what's actually working in AI search right now. Today, I'm thrilled to have our regular co-host and industry analyst, Reid, joining me. We're diving into a topic that's been sparking intense debate, the Claude SEO agent and its potential to replace expensive SEO subscriptions like Ahrefs.
Hey everyone, great to be here, Aria. This is a conversation I've been eager to have.
Absolutely, Marcus. And to kick us off, here's a thought that has DTC brands particularly excited. Mike Fuchsia's demo showed a Claude code agent automating keyword gaps, competitor analysis, and content creation. It promises a full SEO workflow without needing many pricey tools. That's a bold claim, and it's driving high interaction online.
That's quite a statement. So, for those who might not be tracking every AI development, what exactly is a Claude SEO agent? How is it different from just using Claude for basic SEO tasks?
Great question. A Claude SEO agent isn't just a simple prompt. It's a custom-built application or skill within Anthropic's Claude AI model itself. It's designed specifically to automate and streamline various aspects of SEO workflows. Instead of manually using a suite of separate, paid SEO tools, users can create or utilize these agents to perform complex tasks like data fetching, analysis, and report generation, all powered by Claude's underlying intelligence. We're talking about a centralized command center for SEO tasks.
So it's like a specialized intelligent assistant rather than just a chatbot. I've seen some developers on Reddit claiming they've replaced their entire SEO suite with a Claude code skill. Others say Claude now runs their entire website SEO and content strategy. Are these isolated cases, or is this becoming a real trend?
While there's certainly excitement, especially among developers, it's an evolving trend. The idea is to configure these agents with specific sub-skills and sub-agents to handle a wide range of SEO functions. This can include anything from technical SEO and schema markup to content optimization and strategic planning. The core promise is that it leverages Claude's capabilities to move beyond simple data presentation to actual cross-source decisions making.
That ability to make cross-source decisions is a significant differentiator. How does a Claude SEO agent actually manage to do that? What's the underlying mechanism that allows it to pull off such complex SEO tasks?
It operates by integrating with various data sources and employing a structured approach. First, for data fetching, these agents connect to and pull information from multiple sources. This includes official APIs from Google Search Console, Google Analytics 4, and Google Ads, as well as specialized SEO providers like dataforce.io. Some advanced setups even integrate with MCP, or multi-channel processing servers, which can pull data from services like Ahrefs and SEMrush, or community servers for other tools.
So it's not just relying on Claude's internal knowledge base, but actively pulling real-time data from established SEO platforms, or at least the APIs associated with them. That's a key distinction. What about organizing all that data?
Exactly. A critical part of its functionality is the structured organization of data and instructions. This means using descriptive file names and well-defined folder hierarchies within the Claude environment. This structure provides metadata that helps Claude understand the context and purpose of the information it's processing, significantly reducing the need for explicit, lengthy explanations from the user. It's like giving Claude a meticulously organized filing cabinet for SEO tasks.
Hey, real quick. When someone asks ChatGPT or Perplexity for the best solution in your space, does your business actually come up? Yeah. For most companies, the answer is no, and that's a problem. Because that's where your buyers are going now. That's exactly why AEO Engine exists. It's a fully agentic, done-for-you AI search optimization system. Built to get your business discovered in AI-generated answers and recommendations before your competitors figure this out. And the results? Clients are seeing an average 920% increase in AI-recommended traffic in just 100 days. And here's the kicker. That traffic converts 9 times higher than normal cold Google traffic. 9 times. Go to aeoengine.ai, that's aeoengine.ai, and make your business the answer.
That makes sense. Without that structure, it would be difficult for the AI to know what to do with disparate pieces of information. So, once it has the data and the structure, how does it actually think or plan to execute a task?
When presented with a task, the agent doesn't just randomly execute actions. It first plans which specific tools or subskills are necessary to address the query. This planning phase ensures the agent uses the most relevant data and processes for the task. After data is fetched and organized, Claude's AI capabilities are used for cross-referencing, deep analysis, and generating insights. This is where it moves beyond simply presenting data, as traditional platforms do, to making cross-source decisions and forming conclusions. It's a leap from data delivery to intelligent interpretation.
That's a powerful distinction: interpretation and decision making, not just data display. And I understand these agents can also be highly customized and reusable.
Yes, the skills feature in Claude allows these agents to become reusable systems. This replaces the need for complex, step-by-step prompting for every new task. Users can define constraints, and the agent determines the optimal path for execution, leading to a much more customized system than any off-the-shelf tool. Some setups even use external tools like Obsidian Vaults for persistent memory, allowing the agent to retain context and information across sessions. One described Claude SEO skill, for example, includes 13 subskills and 7 subagents, while another can plan to use 50 plus SEO tools in its execution.
That level of customization and automation is truly game-changing. So if these agents can do all this, why is this development so significant for the SEO industry as a whole, beyond just individual users?
The primary significance is the potential for massive cost reduction. These agents can replace expensive subscriptions to established SEO suites like Ahrefs, SEMrush, Surfer, and MarketMuse. This DIY approach offers a more cost-effective alternative for businesses and individuals, with some users stating, no other paid tools needed beyond the Claude subscription. Think about the budget reallocation for DTC brands.
That alone is a huge draw for businesses of all sizes. Beyond cost, what about efficiency? SEO workflows can be incredibly time-consuming.
Absolutely. These agents can automate entire SEO workflows, drastically reducing the manual effort required for data collection, analysis, and reporting. This automation can cut analysis time from hours to mere minutes. Unlike generic SEO platforms, Claude SEO agents can be highly customized to a specific user's needs, focusing on particular metrics like conversions and topical authority, or specific SEO tasks such as EEAT, schema markup, or GEO and AEO strategies.
So it's not just about doing SEO faster, but doing smarter, more targeted SEO based on unique business goals. But are there any caveats? The community reaction also mentions some skepticism.
You're right to ask. While the vision of a command center for SEO is compelling, Search Engine Land points out that for things like historical trend data, automated alerts, or a client-facing dashboard, traditional tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush still hold their ground. So, it's not a full replacement yet for all features. There's also a technical barrier to entry. The most successful stories come from developers. The skills feature aims to make these capabilities more accessible over time.
It sounds like AI agents are more likely to augment existing SEO workflows and tools in the immediate future, rather than completely replace them. The reliance on external APIs from existing tools also means the underlying data often still originates from those established platforms, even if Claude is orchestrating the analysis.
That's a fair assessment for now, but the rapid development indicates a fast evolving AI. This represents a significant shift from traditional data delivery systems to intelligent systems that can process, interpret, and act upon data. It moves beyond simply surfacing information to making strategic recommendations and executing tasks. For brands, this means a future where their SEO can be far more proactive and automated.
And that's where the power of Agentic SEO really shines. It's about building a continuous, always-on system.
Precisely, Marcus. This trend directly validates the core philosophy behind aeoengine. We're already operating with always-on AI content agents that run 24/7. They research keywords, create human-quality content, optimize it with schema and rich media, and publish directly to client sites. Like these Claude agents, our system integrates with commerce platform data sources to seamlessly produce product, aligned content built to rank on Google, and feed AI answer engines. The goal is AI-powered growth and AI automation for business owners, ensuring brands aren't just ranking but becoming the featured answer in AI overviews.
It's a clear example of how AI is moving beyond simple tasks to becoming a strategic partner for businesses. The idea of getting ranked #1 in AI overviews truly highlights that first movers win advantage.
Exactly. The future of SEO and AEO is agentic. What we're seeing with Claude SEO agents is a powerful preview of how AI can streamline, automate, and fundamentally transform search visibility for brands. It's about leveraging these intelligent systems to drive compounding organic growth and tangible sales uplift. To learn more about how agentic AI can power your brand's AEO and SEO strategy, visit aeoengine.ai. That's aeoengine.ai. Join us next time on the EEO Engine AI Search Show.